Hello and welcome to our Dolly Advent collaboration. I'll be opening a surprise gift each day in the lead up to Christmas from either J of J Dolls UK, Marna of Dolls Rescued or Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. Please check out their channels today too, as they'll be opening up a surprise gift, and it could be for me. Their links are in the description. Hi there, today is the 23rd day in our Dolly Advent collaboration. We're nearly finished, so let's have a look at what surprise gift I'll be opening today. Let's see, just a couple of things in here now. So I've got this, which is from Marna of Dolls Rescued. Let's have a look and see what's inside. Ooh, oh, lovely. We have got a lovely pair of earring scissors. We have, I see it's the whole set. Oh, how lovely. There we have a lovely pair of gold earrings with pearls dangling, and there's also, with a proper lobster clasp in the back, a beautiful little Blythe doll sized necklace. What a gorgeous set, very distinguished and posh. That is so sweet. Oh, that'll go nicely with the golden party dress, I do believe, as well. That'll make a lovely set. It's so good to have jewellery to finish off an outfit for the dolls. So I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, Marna, and thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, let me know what you thought of today's surprise gift, and take care. I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.